This is Mamelodi Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs not. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure that you keep on supporting the channel and support the channel by subscribing and watch the videos. My brother, how do you feel about the game, Fanda?
The game was good, my man.
Yeah.
Truly speaking,
Yeah.
Ronaldo know what he's doing. Truly speaking, country direleng ka chen.
Yeah.
Ke bone game e ke nyaka.
Yeah.
Ka lebaka la hore
Beautiful
o fa batho ba bangwe game
Chance.
and have a chance. Ba ira se asinyaka.
Yeah.
And what I want, if Mbule
Yeah.
was continuing shooting from the long range,
Yeah.
we were gonna say 5-0.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of goals.
A lot of goals.
Yeah.
Yeah, but today,
Yeah.
truly speaking, we were performing.
You're performing very well.
Good. Even Shalulile.
Yeah.
What I noticed about Shalulile, Shalulile was always above the defender.
He was hungry, yeah.
Yeah, he was hungry for the goal.
Yeah.
But I want him to notice the line so that he can beat the offset trap.
Yes,
the guy was playing offset trap.
Yeah.
You see?
And he couldn't win those. Yeah.
He couldn't realize that the guy was playing offset trap.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah. But what I know, Shululile, was good, man.
Yeah.
Truly speaking.
What about Mbule?
Mbule,
Yeah.
hey, my man.
Yeah, he played well, eh?
Good first goal
Hey, beautiful.
in the long range.
Yeah.
Second, he hit the ball. Hit the ball. He hit the keeper.
Yeah.
Because
He went to the pole, yeah.
he tried to handle it.
Yeah.
And he hit the pole
And came
you
back,
see,
yeah.
and came out.
Mm.
You see, we were gonna say 2-0 by Mbule.
Mbule, yeah.
Then
Yeah.
we continue with the other goals that
Exactly.
came after
After that.
Mbule. Yeah. But truly speaking, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
Mbule.
Yeah.
He deserves to be man of the match.
What about Mkulise?
Mkulise? Hi. He was playing 6. Nice.
He played very well, especially
Nice.
those touches. Him and
He was receiving ball.
and the chef.
Know how to share it.
Yeah.
You see, and after knowing how to share it, he was realizing that how to mark after he lose the ball.
Yeah.
Same time he lose the ball,
Exactly.
he must mark it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if
Recovering it very quick, yeah.
He's recovering it. The Sundowns still strong.
Thank you very much, my
Truly
brother.
speaking,
Congratulations.
I'm not gonna say something to you,
Yeah.
but let's wait until Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
Yeah, Pyramid. It's heavy, moment.
Heavy, that's
Why I see Rowan Williams is out. Lucas Ribeiro is out.
Yeah.
Loro Chambaswana is out. Morena is out. They are resting for the next game, my man. No,
Truly speaking, I'm not
congratulations.
gonna lie to you. All the best on the 19th. Eh?
Yeah, hi.
Hey, tada.
We wait for that game. Yeah. We wait for that game,
Okay.
and we want to win.
So, my
Yeah,
brother.
I'm a Sunday one.
How are you?
Kabuye.